Ideal replacement. This third brake light assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original light on specific vehicles. Quality construction, made from quality materials for excellent visibility and illumination. Trustworthy design, backed by team of engineers and specialists in the United States. Thoroughly tested, this part has undergone extensive testing to help ensure a secure fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Worked great. Exact fit and a fully complete assembly that only required the mounting screws from old part.